I'm sorry that I have to say something which will not be liked by my friend Jaswant Singh. I know that something has happened in this house and outside which is quite disturbing, especially the statement of Mr. Indrajit Gupta, the Home Minister of India, and contradiction by the Governor of UP, and also contradiction in some way by the Chief Secretary of UP. This is not expected in a parliamentary democracy. I don't know what are the norms that are being followed between the Government of India and the Government of Uttar Pradesh. But I feel that if we begin to discuss this matter, whether we like it or not, all things will come about the conduct of the government. Mr. Jaswant Singh said that he does not want to discuss the conduct of the governor, but only this specific issue. On this specific issue, he has pointed out that the Prime Minister, he has said that he discussed this matter with the Prime Minister, and Prime Minister was fully satisfied with the functioning of the governor and the condition they are operating in Uttar Pradesh. It is a matter where the Government of India should come on its own with a statement, what is the real position. Because if the contradiction is there in the statement of the Home Minister and the Governor and the Chief Secretary, it becomes obligatory for the government to come out with a clear statement, what is the real position, because it will be very unfortunate position that impression goes outside that the Home Minister and the Prime Minister don't agree on such a vital issue regarding the state of UP and the situation operating in that position. On that basis, if there is some discussion, I can understand. I think that strictly technically he may be right, but in practice it will be a wrong precedent. I don't know, I don't remember what was discussed. That situation was different and the parliament is different. Because you know, so let us not,
composition of the parliament was different. I think that's what Mr. Chandrasekhar wanted to say.
That is not to be taken into consideration.
It should not be parliament is the same, rules are the same, but members like Atal Bihari Vajpayee are very few. So that
I am the same.
No, you are the same. But you have very little. You are the same, but you have very little say. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, I think that it will be proper that some via media should be found out, and better if a wide discussion where the conduct of the governor is brought into focus.
Wait, Mr. Azmi has